Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.